This wonderful machine makes motherhood so much easier. So it has the on and off button. You could change the temperature low, warm, low or high, and once the food is ready, it will automatically do it on warm, and you can choose how many hours for it to roast. And then on and off, it has two handles on both sides. Beautiful dish bowl. And this part warms up really hot. It's super lightweight, this part. This is the main thing that's heavy. I'm gonna be making pot roast right now. So just turn it on high, and we're gonna have it on for 6 hours.